Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
If your menu bar seems missing in Word, start by checking ribbon visibility. Click the ribbon display options icon at the top right corner. Press Ctrl plus F1 to toggle the ribbon if it remains hidden. Check if Word is in full screen mode or if Windows is in tablet mode. Exit full screen by pressing ESC or clicking the restore icon. Also confirm that the quick access toolbar is not the only visible element. Open File, then Options, and choose Customize Ribbon to inspect settings. If tabs are missing, click Reset and choose Reset All Customizations to restore defaults. Use the Choose Commands list to add missing tabs back manually. Next, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins to view active add-ins. Manage COM add-ins and disable suspicious entries to rule out conflicts. Restart Word after disabling add-ins to see if the menu returns. If menu issues persist, run Office Repair from Control Panel or Windows Settings. Choose Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if problems continue. Backup custom templates and Ribbon XML before major changes. Also open Account in Word and select Update options to install the latest Office updates. If updates and repairs fail, uninstall and reinstall Office as a final step. Restore backed up templates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.